Hey guys, just wanted to give you guys a little heads up on a discount that's happening on a product. I've showed these before. I've showed the bigger unit of these Jackery power outdoor units. It's basically a battery inverter, combo unit. I'm not here to tell you a whole lot about the product. I'm just here to tell you about the discount. It's up to you to do your own research and find out if this is for you. Basically something that you can have power on the road independently. You can charge it with the solar panel. These are sold separately. You can charge it from a house outlet with their adapter. If you're at a coffee shop or somewhere, laundromat, and they have outlets. You can charge it from your car while you're driving. Average charge times on the unit is about 8 hours. Although I tested it, they recommend that at 20% you recharge it, which I did, and it took about 7 hours with this panel, split between 2 days because I started charging it late in the day one day. The other day we had a lot of cloudy skies, so total it took about 7 hours to recharge this up to full power. Again, they are running a 30% discount on December 14th for the Christmas holiday season. So if you're already interested in one of these units, that would be the day to buy it if you're looking to save some money. Otherwise, the reason why I really took this from the company is to be able to give it away and give it to somebody that could use something like this but could otherwise not afford it. So I'm going to be making another video around the time of the RTR Travelers Gathering out in Quartzsite, Arizona. If you don't know about that, you can look it up. It's Rubber Tramp Rendezvous through Bob Wells' website. It's a great gathering. A bunch of nomads and travelers get together. So I'm going to announce when I'll be giving this away so you guys can come by my campsite and find me. Unfortunately, I'm not able to ship this just because of the nature of the battery in that. So it's going to have to be, if you can find me, I'll put a bunch of names in a hat and do a drawing, and whoever gets drawn will win a brand new unit. I've only cycled this twice, so it's still got a lot of life left in it. Got the boxes for everything, so that's the deal. Again, really not recommending this. I'm just giving you a heads up on the discount. So that's that on this unit. I'll leave the links in the video description for the discount that will pop off on December 14th. Otherwise, in the next video, I'll be back to my regular scheduled program. And I hope you guys are all doing very well out there, and we'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.